All right, I'm inside Goodwill. Sometimes you find items that aren't necessarily resellable and they're not profitable. Maybe this one will be, but they're just too cool to pass up. Check this thing out. Guys, check this out. Check it out. Hershey's chocolate mold maker. Melt and mold chocolate in minutes. Are you kidding me? Molding kit, just add chocolate chips and start melting? What? And then I guess you make your own chocolates. That is bad ass. Oop, don't demonetize me, YouTube. And opening up the horizons, this is some Uniden loud and clear corded phone. It's $4. Comps on these were like 50. And then this is a refill bag, type H HEPA bag for a vacuum. I know these are always good. $2. Comps on these were about 20, 22. So pretty good. This is a 6-pack, so good to go. Opening the horizons up inside of Goodwill. This is my normal Goodwill retail. It's good size. Not the new one that just opened up. That is terrible. Riverview-opoly. This is a town south of me that I live near. Riverview-opoly. That is too funny. $3. If you want to play Monopoly for the places that you live near, you can buy one of your city ones. 2 more months, guys. 2 more months. Unfortunately, I don't buy puzzles that aren't sealed. Not really an item that I think goes together too well. A dumbbell money bank? Money saving fitness. 9 inches tall. It doesn't weigh anything. What am I missing about this? This is probably one of the weirdest things I've ever seen inside of any store. I don't understand the correlation between weightlifting and saving money. Somebody help me with this one. Somebody in the comment section, tell me what I'm missing about this. This is pretty cool. Fondue tonight. It comes with a little bowl and then a little metal underneath piece that you put a tea light in, and then you pour your shredded cheese in here or whatever and you melt it and you could have fondue. That's pretty cool. It's only $4.99. That's tempting to buy, actually. Pretty cool inside idea. For the camo loving hunter in your family, Mossy Oak now makes living room tables, coffee tables, for $150, 3-piece sets. Interesting. I have now officially seen it all. It's telescopic. Yep, seen it all now. A barbecue fork telescopic. This is for like roasting weenies or like marshmallows and s'mores, I suppose. Awesome collection of TV remotes. But they are a little pricey. There's a few of you on my channel that probably need this shirt. $5, I'm gonna let it go, but if you want it, it's at the Brandon Goodwill on Route 60. World's largest champagne glass or candle holder or something else that I don't know what it is. Impressive. All right, I gotta get out of here. We've been messing around too much. I gotta get home and do some work. So I'm gonna take this stuff, check out, pay for it all, and get our chocolate maker working later. It's gonna be fun. All right, that was a fun trip inside Goodwill. I got our chocolate maker. I got my stuff to resell. Some of it going to Amazon, some of it going to eBay. Should do, I spent 18 total, but 6 was on the chocolate maker. The rest of it was 12, but those $12 items should sell for like 50 to 60 net, probably like 80 gross after fees and shipping, about 50, 60. So pretty good, $40, $50 profit out of that store. And I got the chocolate maker, so let's roll out. All right, so here is this chocolate maker. The problem is, and I didn't notice it till I got it home, because obviously I didn't test this in the store, but it has 4 D batteries required, not included. So I'm gonna have to go to the store tomorrow and pick up some D batteries for this thing and get this tested. I'll show this to you guys in the next video. We'll see if it works. I gotta buy some chocolate chips too, because I don't think we have any. All right, so it's got some bubble bags in it, and then the mold pieces. I guess this is where the chocolate, once it melts, will go into the little molds and create all these different chocolate candy pieces. And then we got the instructions, which, okay, we don't read instructions. We just need this piece now. Okay, so it's got some kind of piece here, I guess, and then this crazy thing. And this is where I guess the chocolate, I don't know. I may have to read the instructions on this. Okay, so I think the chocolate chips go in here, and this pushes down, and then it's gonna shoot out melted chocolate into this thing that probably screws on or mounts on here somehow. I'm not 100% sure how this thing works. And then you stick the mold probably on top of that, and then the chocolate comes, I don't know, I was kind of trying to look at the box in the picture there. Okay, so we'll figure this out tomorrow once I get the batteries and the chocolate chips, but Hershey's chocolate maker molding kit. If this thing works, I might keep it for a little while. Maybe I'll sell it. Maybe I'll give it away to someone. I don't know, this is kind of cool. So maybe I'll sell it cheap. Somebody can just pay me the shipping and get it, or I don't know, I'll figure out what to do with it. I just couldn't pass it up. Very cool, right guys? Awesome. All right, so it's not always about reselling when we're at the store. Sometimes it's just about the wacky, cool stuff you find in these stores, which is part of the reason we all do it, right? The hunt for treasure, the hunt for cool items, sometimes chocolate makers, I don't know. Anyways, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you share this video with anyone you think might enjoy watching crazy stuff that I find at thrift stores. And in the meantime, I will get batteries and chocolate chips to test that thing out in the next video for you guys. And until then, thank you so much for all the support. Make sure you check out the description box, important links, everything you need to improve your eBay business. All the tools, supplies, and other things are down below. The links help me out. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a wonderful night.